Welcome to Wheels Honda. Just got this in, near one of a kind Honda Hornet 600F in the Repsol colours. Really nice paint job on this one. It's a really unique bike, fitted with really good extras as well. You got crash bungs, Pro Bolt kit, a lovely radiator guard, a screen on the front there as well. And best of all, it's really low mileage, about 3,300 miles on there. 2 former keepers and a good service history as well. Of course, we've just put a service on this one, giving it 2 new tyres and of course an MOT when it's sold. Let's just fire it up, give it a listen. There you go, 3,300 miles on there, really low for a Hornet especially. Lovely with a Scorpion cam, so we'll give it a bit. It really is a unique bike, so please get in touch if this is something you're interested in. Thank you.